Escape to the serene beauty of Lake Tahoe for a transformative 3-day psychotherapy, yoga, and wellness retreat. What if you could truly reset your mind, body, and soul? Surrounded by nature's tranquility, embark on a journey of self-discovery. What if 3 days could reset your mind, body, and soul? Daily stress and chaos can weigh heavily, leaving little room for true healing. In our busy lives, we carry the weight of stress and constant demands. It's time to take a break, to step away and truly heal. Experience a holistic approach to wellness, combining therapy, yoga, and self-reflection. Begin your day with gentle yoga on a deck overlooking the serene lake. Receive personalized therapy in a safe and supportive environment. Reflect and journal under the shade of whispering trees. Share and connect in safe circle gatherings with like-minded individuals. This retreat offers a rare opportunity to go inward. In a world demanding constant outward action, find a space for introspection and deep self-care in a world that never stops. Receive trauma-informed care and explore integrative healing techniques. This retreat is for anyone ready to feel whole again, to reconnect with themselves. Ideal for burnt-out professionals seeking rest and rejuvenation. For healers, parents, creatives, anyone ready to prioritize their well-being. Spots are limited. Don't miss your chance to embark on this healing journey. Spots are limited. Click the link in the description to book your space and begin your healing journey today. Link in description to book now. Allow yourself the gift of healing and transformation. Begin your healing journey at our Lake Tahoe retreat. You deserve this.